Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add money or link bank account on Sofi Invest account. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then logged into your Sofi Invest account, and once you're logged into your account, next interface tap on add cash, and as you tap on add cash, this is what the interface is going to look like. And once you're on this page, you have to tap on form, which is right on top. On the other interface, you have to tap on add new account, which is right in between. And once you tap on it, next interface is a confirmation. Make sure to go through it and then tap on continue. And on this page, you have to select the bank that you want to link it to your Sofi Invest account. And as you select the bank, on the other interface, you have to provide the information. That includes providing account number, user ID, and then a password. And once you're done providing all of the information, tap on confirm. In order to verify your identity, a verification code will be sent. So all you have to do is just enter the verification code, and then you've successfully linked your bank to your Sofi Invest. So that is how you can link bank account or add money on your Sofi Invest account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.